Welcome to the empire of green gold. What was once a simple fruit has now become a multi-billion-dollar commodity, driving global trade and innovation. From the fertile lands of Mexico to the sun-drenched coasts of Australia, these massive super farms are the engines of a high-stakes agricultural revolution. With a market value reaching $18 billion, the humble avocado is no longer just food, it is a premium asset for global investors and tech. In luxury markets from New York to London, demand for high-quality avocados is skyrocketing, creating a race for the perfect fruit and supreme efficiency. Global logistics networks are the lifeblood of this empire, moving thousands of tons across oceans in temperature-controlled containers to maintain that perfect ripeness. Every hour counts in this industry. Precision timing and advanced shipping technology ensure that the green gold reaches your table in its most pristine condition. Behind every harvest is a team of engineers and scientists. They monitor the health of the groves using advanced data and sophisticated thermal imaging technology. This is a world where high finance meets high tech. The avocado industry is a complex machine operating at the cutting edge of modern human innovation. Deep beneath the soil, a digital nervous system is at work. IoT sensors monitor the earth, sending real-time data to artificial intelligence management systems. These underground guardians track everything from moisture levels to nutrient density, ensuring each tree receives exactly what it needs to thrive and produce quality. By analyzing NPK levels in real time, farmers can adjust soil chemistry instantly. This level of precision eliminates waste and maximizes the health of the crop. Artificial intelligence acts as the brain of the farm, processing millions of data points to predict growth patterns and prevent potential issues before they occur. Smart irrigation systems save up to 40% of water. Water is delivered with milliliter precision, targeting the roots only when the AI detects thirst. This automated hydration keeps the trees in a state of perfect balance, optimizing the Brix levels and healthy fats that give avocados their famous flavor. From space, satellites monitor the health of the groves using NDVI sensors. These maps tell farmers which areas need attention, ensuring a uniform and healthy harvest. The farm has become a connected ecosystem. Every tree is a data point, contributing to a global network of agricultural intelligence and sustainable food production. It is a delicate dance between nature and machine. This micromanagement ensures the sustainability of our water resources while increasing the total farm yield. Software is now as important as soil. Coders are working alongside farmers to build the algorithms that will sustain the future of our global food supply. The result is a more resilient empire, capable of producing millions of avocados while respecting the delicate environmental balance of our planet's most fertile regions. In the lab, the future of the avocado is being rewritten. Genetic research and micrografting techniques are creating trees that are stronger and more productive. Robotic grafting ensures a 100% success rate. These machines handle the delicate work that requires more precision than the human hand can provide. Scientists are developing varieties with natural resistance to fusarium wilt. This biotechnological shield is critical for protecting the global industry from devastating crop diseases. Tissue culture allows for the rapid cloning of elite trees. We can now produce millions of identical, high-performing saplings to meet the world's growing hunger. Planting is now a game of geometry. GPS-guided machinery ensures that every tree is placed at the exact coordinate for optimal sunlight and nutrient access. Satellite positioning allows for millimeter accuracy in the field. This precision planting maximizes the use of land and creates perfectly organized, high-density avocado groves. Mapping the avocado genome has opened new doors. We are now able to select for traits like drought tolerance and enhanced nutritional content for consumers. These technological advancements are making the avocado industry more resilient to climate change, ensuring that the green gold will continue to flow for decades. This is the foundation of the empire. A combination of superior genetics and high-tech cultivation that produces the world's most desired and profitable fruit. The harvest has gone high-tech. Soft robotics are replacing human labor, using gentle pressure to pick the fruit without causing a single bruise or scratch. Embedded laser sensors analyze each avocado's size and ripeness in milliseconds. The robot only harvests the fruits that meet the strict standards for export quality. These machines can work 24 hours a day, never tiring and never making mistakes. They represent a massive leap in efficiency for the avocado industry. Once picked, the avocados are transported by autonomous ground vehicles. These self-driving carts navigate the orchard paths with ease, delivering the harvest to the warehouse. The precision is staggering. Every movement is calculated to preserve the integrity of the fruit, ensuring that premium prices are maintained through every step of the process. Computer vision allows the robots to see the world in high definition. They distinguish between subtle shades of green that the human eye might easily miss. Humans have transitioned from laborers to supervisors. One technician can now oversee an entire fleet of robots, managing the harvest of thousands of trees. This automation is solving labor shortages and reducing costs, making the avocado empire more competitive and profitable on the global stage of commerce. The harvest is the moment of truth. Thanks to robotics, we are seeing the most consistent and high-quality yields in the history of avocado farming. Inside the packing house, the speed is breathtaking. Thousands of avocados are processed every minute by a system that never slows down or blinks. The eye of the machine is a laser scanner. It captures a 360-degree view of every single fruit, checking for any external imperfections. X-ray technology allows us to look inside the fruit. We can detect internal bruising or seed issues without ever cutting the avocado open, ensuring perfection. Air jets act as the sorting hands. Based on the data from the scanners, these bursts of air gently divert each fruit to its specific quality grade. Every avocado is given a digital identity. A QR code is applied, allowing retailers and consumers to track the fruit's journey back to the exact grove. This traceability is a cornerstone of modern food safety. Transparency builds trust, and trust is what keeps the global avocado market thriving and growing. Efficiency is maximized at every corner. Robotic palletizers stack thousands of boxes a day, preparing the green gold for its long journey across the globe. Temperature control begins here. Infrared cameras ensure the fruit is cooled to the perfect state before it is loaded into the cold chain for transport. Nothing is left to chance. Every pallet is verified and logged into a global database, ensuring that the supply chain remains unbroken and fully optimized. Controlled atmosphere storage slows down the ripening process. This technology allows us to ship avocados halfway around the world without losing their fresh taste. The packing house is a temple of precision. It is the filter that ensures only the absolute best avocados make it to the world's dinner plates. The journey from farm to table is a global marathon. Thousands of refrigerated containers, or reefers, move through hubs to maintain the perfect cold chain. Logistics managers can track the temperature of their cargo from anywhere. Real-time monitoring via satellite ensures that any cooling issues are fixed immediately at sea. Multi-million-dollar contracts are signed between growers and giants like Walmart and Costco. These partnerships ensure a steady flow of green gold to consumers. The supply chain never sleeps. Trucks move through borders and across continents, carrying the fresh harvest to distribution centers in every major global city. The avocado has become a key indicator of economic health. Its price is watched as closely as oil or gold on the world's commodity trading floors. The final destination is the supermarket shelf. Because of the cold chain, these avocados look just as fresh as they did when they left the grove. For the most premium markets, air freight is used. Speed is the ultimate luxury, bringing the finest fruit from South America to Asia in hours. This is a truly global economy. The avocado links continents and cultures together through a shared demand for quality, health, and cutting-edge agricultural technology. Beyond the billions of dollars and high-tech machines, the goal is simple: providing healthy, nutritious food to families around the world in a sustainable way. The avocado empire is a testament to human ingenuity. It proves that technology can work in harmony with nature to feed the world's growing population. We are entering a new era of precision agriculture, where every fruit is perfect, every drop of water is saved, and every farm is smart. Welcome to the future of food. Welcome to the billion-dollar empire of the green gold. This is the dawn of the smart agricultural revolution.